What's up guys, thank you for watching another video right here at 412 Motorsports. If you guys recognize this car, this is Alex's car. Alex, with the GTR and the R8. It's actually here because it got an oil change here at 412. And it's been here for like the past couple days. But I texted him today since the car's been here and I said, Alex, what if I take the R8 out today for a video, put the GoPro on and drive around in the R8? And of course Alex, being the cool guy that he is, he doesn't mind. So today we're gonna take the R8 out. Probably take it out before it gets dark. It's gonna get dark like in 30 minutes, so I gotta hurry it up. But I wanna take the R8 out, put the GoPro on my head, and do a point of view video. I haven't done a point of view video in so long, and I know a lot of you guys love these videos. I love making them, and I think it'll be freaking sick to do it in the R8. Talk about my thoughts about the car, maybe do like a little car review, and also I have my big camera, so maybe do a little photo shoot too while we're at it. This car is a gated stick shift, so it's gonna be pretty cool to drive. And before we start the video, huge shout out to Alex. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here, or actually it's right there. That's his Instagram. Make sure you guys go show him some love and tell him thank you for letting the boy whip the R8. I'm kind of scared, guys, I'm not gonna lie. This is like pretty much an exotic. It is a V8. I think it's a 4.3 if I remember. If you guys haven't watched the video, I raced this car in my E92 F3. My E92 is a 4.0 V8 and this is a 4.3 I think. And my E92 actually beat this car, which is freaking crazy. But it is a good race because this one's stick shift and my E92 is DCT, so that kind of helps me a lot. But anyways, this car is freaking badass. I can't wait to drive it. By the way, I think Alex wants to sell this car, so if anybody's on the market for an R8, hit him up. This thing's beautiful. It's literally mint. All right, switching to the GoPro. I haven't used this GoPro mount in a while, so hopefully it's a good angle. I hope. I'll check it in a little bit. Guys, I'm kind of scared. This car is stick shift, but it's pretty easy to drive actually. Hopefully we don't scrape. Oh. Bro, this car is so sick. I hope you guys can hear the engine, how good it sounds. It sounds so unique. Like, I said this in my last video about the car, that it's a V8, but it doesn't sound like any other V8 that you hear. It doesn't sound like the E92 V8. It doesn't sound like a American V8. It sounds so like exotic, which it is an exotic supercar. I really need to get used to the shifter though. I think the hardest part is shifting into third. 1, 2, and then 3. You need to like, you really need to like curve it into 3. Alright, we just hopped on the freeway. Guys, I think, I don't know, I really want to rerun this car with my E92. I honestly think this thing will actually beat it. I think the coolest thing about this car, which I already noticed right off the bat, is that everybody stares. Everybody. People look at it like it's a Lambo or something, and it is. It's like, it's a supercar for sure. So it gets so much attention. Everybody looks. To like a normal person's eye, not a car person, this thing probably looks like a UFO on the street. This shit's badass. So that's probably my favorite thing about the car, how much attention this thing is. Damn, dude, this shit sounds so sick. I might buy it off your hands myself. I should have took that exit. I did not want to be in traffic. This will be a boring video if I stay here all day. This shit picks up fast. Oh, the gas light came on. I'm at the stop and put gas in it. If I get a faster car than my E92, I'm gonna get in so much trouble. I can't drive fast cars. I love the downshift. gonna lie, the car kind of sounds like a V10. Holy shit. This car is fast. Anyways, I'm trying to find a cool spot to take some pictures and I don't know where to go, to be honest. I think this thing will smoke my 92. This shit is so much fun to drive. Holy shit. This is actually Irwindale Speedway right here. I should just go in there and take the R8 on the drag strip. Ooh. You guys can't see it, but the spoiler goes up and down with this button. And I just push it up and you can see it go up in the rear view mirror. Fuck, this car is sick. Can I go in there? I think I probably can, but let's see. Ooh, I think this is a sick spot. Alright, let's hurry up before it gets too dark. I think this is a sick spot right here. Again, before I get all the comments, what camera do I use? It's a Sony a7R II with a 35mm 1.4 lens. And I edit all my pictures on Lightroom. Close ones like this. That shit's sick. Bro, I honestly love this car. I'm not gonna lie. The startup sounds so sick. For photography and cars, turn your steering wheel like to one side and it makes the car look like a lot better on photos. Like that. And you can see like the front of the wheel with the angle of the car. Ah. The trunk hood. What would you guys call this? A trunk or a hood? Alright, we got it. Alright guys, I think that's good for the photo shoot. Like always, I'll put the photos on the screen right here. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Tell me how I did. This sounds badass. This car sounds so freaking sick. So how'd those pictures come out, guys? I haven't even got to see the photos myself. You guys saw them before I did. I still gotta go home, edit them, and then put them in this video. Alright, time to put some gas in the homie's car. Alright, let's put some gas in. How do you open this? Bro, I don't even know how to use this car. Yeah. Alright, where do you put this thing at in an R8? Right here? I legit don't know where to put this. Bro, there's nowhere to put it. Unless I'm tripping. I think you could put it right here. Ah, look at that. That worked. Alex always makes fun of me because I never fill up my cars, but 17 bucks, that should be good. If I remember correctly, he told me it costs like $85 to fill this car up. This car is super fun to drive. I love that it's gated stick shift. I think that's the best part about this car. If it was like automatic with paddle shifters, it might be a little boring, but with the stick shift, it's like literally probably one of the funnest cars I've driven, like hands down. Would I buy one? I don't know. Like if it was like a good price and a good deal, I think I would get it. It gets a lot of attention. It is stick shift. People literally look at me like I'm driving a super hyper car or something. Everybody's looking. Every time I drive by a car, they look. It's pretty rare actually to find a gated stick shift. And guys, sorry for the low light. It got dark very, very fast. This car is so fun. It's literally one of the funnest cars I've ever driven in my life. It's so much fun. It feels like a video game. This is literally the arcade gearbox that you see in all the arcades. But we're back. Why they put this song when I get out the car? Makes me feel like a badass. Well, there you guys have it. I got to drive the R8 for a point of view video. Probably one of my most fun vlogs I've ever filmed. This car is such a beast. Why didn't you buy it?
I thought it is better than GTR, no?
I don't know. No, it drives. It's a lot funner to drive.
Like a boss in that bitch.
And I feel like a boss, bro.
GTR, you feel like a JDM kid.
Everybody's looking when you're driving this shit.
It's beautiful, even though it's 2008.
And it just drives.
V8, but it sounds good.
Bro, it's like a V10.
Sounds like a V10, yeah.
Okay, next, I think I gotta do a video on your M3. For real? Guys, who would want to see a point of view video with this bad boy? Comment down below. I think this is the next car we gotta take out for a point of view video. Joseph would let us too. But I'm gonna end the video right there. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Probably a very short video, but I wanted to get something out and upload it for you guys because I haven't filmed anything in probably over a week now. I've been slacking, but I need to get back on the grind and start posting some more videos. Huge shout out to Alex. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here. Huge shout out to Alex for letting me take it out and pretty much giving us a vlog for today. I'm gonna try to go home early, edit tomorrow morning, and post tomorrow for you guys. Go show Alex some love. He also has a badass GTR. Maybe he'll let me drive the GTR for a day and take it out for a point of view video. Now that will be literally like my most favorite vlog, I think. GTR, as you guys know, is like my dream car, so maybe he'll let us take it out for a day. But smash the like button, subscribe to your boy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.